YouTube, what's up? We're back. More knife action today.
Yes, we do.
Today we have this. Yeah, we have a Case Trapper. Orange synthetic trapper. Look at that. It's like hunter orange style for all you hunters out there. Otherwise, it's like a neon type deal. Yeah, let's open that up. I'm gonna use the peach jig. I'll open that puppy up today. Let's see. Bam. No problem for the peach seed.
Nope.
First look right out of the package there. Look at that. What's your thoughts, Jenny, on this? What do you think about this color?
I love the color. The finish on this is incredibly smooth. Like, surprisingly, and I like it. I like it.
Let me actually show you something. It's called Orange Synthetic Smooth Trapper.
It is.
Look at you.
It has no texture. I love this color.
Yeah, it's really popping.
It is. You know, there's a lot of times where you need to be able to see where the heck your knife is. And with it being orange, it just pops.
That's a good point. This thing is gonna this is gonna stand out.
You know, honestly, you drop it on the ground, anything else when you're out in the woods or something, it will stand out.
Yeah. It should be harder to lose this thing, that's for sure. All right, people, let's open her up. So this has 2 blades in here. So first of all, this is the clip blade. Right here, that's a nice blade. Got the finger. The fingerprints all over it. And then next up, we are gonna have the Spey blade. That's out here.
Speaking of that, the blade length is 3 1/4 inches.
Okay.
While the closed length is 4.13 inches.
Jenny stats.
Yeah. And as you can see, that orange synthetic handle, smooth style, popping out at you.
All right, so let's go over these blades a little bit. So the clip blade is extremely versatile, and that's the thing that you want to use for everyday tasks around the house. So this is from the Case website, by the way. With a sharp point for piercing, the shape allows for better control of the cutting edge. All right, the next one, the one that's interesting, is the Spey blade. So the Spey blade was a vital tool for farmers and ranchers who would use it when castrating livestock. Also a favored tool for skinning game. This all-purpose blade shape is found in many popular knife patterns, such as the Trapper. So right there is the Spey blade. So let's go ahead and get to work. In honor of the Spey blade here, we're gonna go ahead and try it out on this tomato. So, yeah. That slices through nice. That's a nice, I mean, that's not an even slice. That's not the knife's fault. That's my fault. This is a nice, beautiful slice, though. Look at that. Let's go ahead and we'll do one more. We'll do another one too. It feels nice. Look at that. It's like going into a slicing machine. It just demolishes it. It's so smooth. So smooth.
Perfect.
It's really nice. YouTube people, it's knife weight time. Here we go.
3.8 ounces. Overall, I like how this feels in my hand. Like, I feel like I can really grip it.
Yeah, it's a meaty knife.
Yeah. This would be a perfect everyday carry if you just needed simplicity.
Yeah, it is kind of like a good utility knife, everyday carry knife. I definitely can get behind that. I like how it opened to it. Had like a pretty nice feeling open to it as well.
It does. It does.
And the color, man, come on. I mean, this is ridiculous. I love this. The synthetic orange.
The color is sharp.
Yeah.
I would have to agree.
Yeah. So again, this knife, I'm gonna go on the new knife scale. What was the last one? We were like at
111.
111%. I'm gonna go 112% on this one.
Okay. 109%.
109%. All right.
It's like Price is Right.
There we go. So you have it, people. I think what we're both saying is we would definitely recommend this knife. So make sure to go into the description and check out the link for a case knife for yourself. But this one is definitely, it's an eye catcher. And it slices nice, especially those tomatoes.
It sure does.
All right, people. If you're new in town, please consider subscribing. We'd love that. Until we see you again, keep your nose clean. Bye-bye.
Bye.